Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready to unlock some amazing ways to earn cryptocurrency passively. Whether you want to watch your crypto grow while you're sleeping, earn rewards for everyday activities, or turn your hobbies into earnings, these apps have you covered. Let's jump right in and explore how you can start boosting your crypto wallet today. First up is Nexo, a platform that makes earning interest on your crypto as easy as holding it in your account. With Nexo, you can start earning daily interest payouts just by depositing your digital assets. What's great about Nexo is the flexibility it offers. You can withdraw your earnings in fiat currency whenever you need it, making it a reliable source of passive income. Nexo also offers competitive interest rates, and you can choose to earn in Nexo tokens. If you're looking to grow your crypto without lifting a finger, Nexo is definitely worth checking out. Just sign up, use the link in the description below, transfer your crypto, and start earning. It's that easy. Next on the list is JumpTask, an online marketplace where you can earn JMPT tokens by completing a variety of tasks like surveys and games. One of the best things about JumpTask is how easy it is to get started. There are no minimum withdrawal amounts, so you can cash out your earnings whenever you want. Plus, JMPT tokens can be traded or converted into cash on various exchanges, making it a great way to monetize your spare time. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn some extra crypto, JumpTask is definitely worth a try. Sign up using the link in the description below, complete tasks, and watch your JMPT balance grow. If you're someone who enjoys walking or staying active, Sweatcoin is the perfect app for you. This unique platform rewards you for your steps, giving you approximately 0.95 Sweatcoins for every 1,000 steps you take. You can then redeem these Sweatcoins for cash via PayPal or various gift cards, turning your daily activity into a source of income. Sweatcoin makes it easy to earn while you're staying fit, so why not give it a try? It's a win-win for your health and your wallet. Next up is Rollercoin, a virtual mining game where you can earn cryptocurrency by playing various games. It's a fun way to combine entertainment with earning potential as you play. You accumulate hash rate that can be used to mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Once you've earned enough, you can withdraw your earnings in Bitcoin or other supported cryptocurrencies. If you're a crypto enthusiast who enjoys gaming, Rollercoin is a great way to have some fun while earning. Last but not least, we have CryptoTab, a browser that allows you to mine Bitcoin passively while you're browsing the web. Just install the browser and you'll start accumulating Bitcoin as you go about your daily online activities. Once you've earned enough, you can convert your Bitcoin to cash on various exchanges. CryptoTab is perfect for those who spend a lot of time online and want to make the most of their browsing time. So there you have it, 5 apps that make earning cryptocurrency a breeze. Whether you're into earning interest, completing tasks, staying active, gaming, or just browsing the web, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments which app you're most excited about. Until next time, happy earning!